Welcome everyone to the how-to tutorial. Today for this video of how-to tutorial, I will be showing you how to get verified on Snapchat. So to do that, you need to open the Snapchat application. Tap open the application. Now that you are logged into the account, you need to go to your profile first. So tap on profile icon on the top left corner, tap that. So gaining a Snapchat star means Snapchat has verified your account. So instead of being a regular user of Snapchat, you became an essential content creator. But there are some criteria you need to meet to get a verified star. That is, for example, your Snapchat stories need to be engaging and very unique. Must be a creative post. For you to get verified on Snapchat, what you will have to do is you will need to post engaging Snapchat stories that average 50,000 views. Likewise, have sufficient number of followers on your Snapchat. Create popular lenses via the Snapchat Lens Studio, and then establish a successful brand or a company through your Snapchat account. These are the ways how you can verify your Snapchat account. The minimum threshold to reach Snapchat verification is to get around 50,000 views on your stories, and try to achieve that before expecting a Snapchat update to your account. You need to get a verified badges. For that, submit a support ticket to Snapchat with the necessary details and ask them to verify your account. So here is the details that is required for you to get your Snapchat verified. It's a very long time process, as you will need to be engaging and you will need to keep posting on Snapchat every now and then with a creative content. Hope this video was useful on how to get verified on Snapchat. Please like and subscribe the how to tutorial. Thank you.